Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a what's in my bag tag. It's been a long time since I've done a what's in my bag. I think the last time that I did it was back when I was in college, and it's been a while since I was in college. So we're gonna be doing an updated what's in my bag. This time I have a tote bag. So yeah, if you're nosy like me and you like to know what's in other people's bags, because I love watching what's in my bag videos and I love to see like what's in other people's bag, and maybe if I could like implement it, buy that and add it to my bag. Yeah, let's just get started with today's video. I think let's start by talking about the bag actually. So this is what it looks like. It's a plain black tote, but its inner linings are red, so I love that. It's very classy. By the way, this bag is from Anam's new brand, which is called Verified. So she's designed all of these bags herself, and they're really good quality bags. I was so excited when I heard about this. I had to go and support her, so I bought this bag. I love it. I think it looks so good. It goes with every single outfit. It's very sturdy. Also, these straps are super sturdy because I carry the world with me in this bag, and it's able to carry everything without a problem. Feels very sturdy. Also has a little bit of gold detailing where it says Anam C, Anam Chashmawala. I love it. And on the other side, it has this buckle detailing, which again looks very classy. I personally wear only golden jewelry, so I love it because it just complements everything super well. Okay, having said all of that, let's get started with the video. Also, I'm going to link the bag in the description box below in case you're interested. Okay, so I have a couple of pouches in here. The first pouch, this is what it looks like. This is my makeup pouch. So I actually travel with a little bit of makeup always in my bag, because there are always like impromptu plans, or I end up staying at my friend's place and then the next day I have to shoot something, and just like something always ends up coming up and I need to have my makeup on me. So this is what it has. I'm gonna link an IGTV video wherein I've done kind of like an bit by bit unboxing of what's in my makeup pouch. If I were to unbox this right now, this video would literally be 30 minutes long because I have so much makeup in here. Everything's travel size and compact, which is why it works out. But if you're interested in knowing what's in here, check out the IGTV. I have one more pouch in here, but I think I'm gonna get done with all the other items in the bag, and then towards the end we'll unzip this and go through every single thing what's in here, because again there's a lot in here. The first thing that I can see is this Honey Bell cake. It's a vanilla egg free cake. I always like to have a snack on me because I get hungry so quickly. I'm hungry every hour, so it's always nice to have a snack on me. This is what I have right now. I'm so tempted to eat this. Right after I'm done filming, I'm probably gonna eat this. The next thing that I have is my keychain. So this is what my keychain looks like. The reason why I have this bandana keychain is because it's so easy to like find in my bag. Like if I'm looking for my keys, I know what to look for. Is like a red bandana, and then I pull it out and everything comes with it. So of course I have my house keys, and then I also have a pepper spray attached to this keychain. I also have my portable metal straw in here, and then I also have this alarm system. So if you haven't watched my Amazon video, I got this little alarm system thing from Amazon. So this is what it looks like. When you pull this, it makes this super loud noise. I'm gonna just demonstrate. Oh god, like so. So it's just nice to have on you for those unfortunate situations, which I hope never happen, but always nice to have. Next, I have some wipes. I actually have completely stopped using wipes. However, because of the whole corona thing, I just decided to pop them back in because I just feel a little bit more sanitary when I have wipes. I also have hand sanitizer. I don't know how I feel about hand sanitizers because you're literally squirting alcohol in your hand and you're rubbing around germs. So I just have it only because of the whole corona thing. I do feel a little bit better like wiping my hands rather than like spreading it all around. So these are the two things that I have. I actually have one more disinfectant thing. This is the Dettol's disinfectant spray. I spray this on doorknobs, I spray it on my phone, I literally spray it everywhere. It makes me feel a little bit more sanitary usually when I have these. So this is what I have. Of course, right now I'm in like self quarantine mode, so I'm not stepping out, but this is what I have been carrying in the past, and I will continue to carry in the future also, just for a little bit hygiene. Oh, I also have a mask, again something I don't know if they do anything or if they don't, but it's just a precaution to have. So yeah, I got this filter wala mask my mom gave me, so I like to carry it. Once you're done using it every day, you're supposed to boil it in hot water and then you can use it again. Next up, I have my AirPods. I got this really cute cover, turquoise cover from Amazon. Never really thought I would be the person to own AirPods, but once you have them, you can't stop using them. They're really good. I have my planner. This is the Simba Lifestyles 2020 planner. This is what it looks like. It's sold out thanks to you guys, but I always need to have this on me because I've like written down my video dates, like schedules and all of that, so need to have this. The other thing that I need to have with this is a notebook. I go through notebooks every like 2 weeks, I would say. I'm constantly like writing down video ideas and scripts, like whatever pops into my head, I just quickly jot it down. So I go through notebooks super quickly. This is the one that I'm using right now. This is like an old one that I got from YouTube Space Mumbai. So those were all the things that I have in my bag. Now let's come back to the pouch. Okay, so this is kind of like my emergency kit. This literally has everything in it, everything that you can think of. Let's start with a few obvious ones. I have a pad with me and also a panty liner. So need to have these either for yourself or for someone else. I also have this tiger balm with me. If I end up getting my periods, I like to have this with me. Also smells great. If I'm feeling nauseous, car sick, you can just like apply it on your nose and it makes you feel better. Other than that, if someone has a backache, something on those lines, you can use this. Just nice to have in general. So low-key, I have a pharmacy in here. The first tablet that I have is this painkiller. It's called Neftal Spasm. I think that's how you say it. It's something that I take for my periods. Not every time, unless I'm not like cramping like crazy, I won't have this. But I like to have this as a backup in my bag just in case. Next, I have 2 tablets of Biquinol. It's a loose motion tablet. I have a sensitive tummy, so just nice to have for me. And then I have these 2 oral rehydration salts. So in case someone's feeling a little bit giddy, nauseous, या फिर BP low हो गया, just nice to have. I have my lens का case. I usually also have like a lens solution. I've run out of it, which is why I don't have it right now, but this is what I have. I also have my glasses, everyday glasses in this bag. I have some makeup remover. This is the Bioderma's Micellar water. I've transferred this into this traveling thing. I like to have this with me because in case I'm staying over at my friend's place, I need to remove my makeup with this only, or else I'm gonna break out, so I like to carry it with me. I have my lip balm. This is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. Amazing. Almost run out of it. I'm completely done, so need to get another one. I have some tissues. Always great to have tissues. I'm so oily, so I'm constantly reaching out for these throughout the day. I have this Dot & Key's hand cream plus sanitizer. So it's not only like a moisturizer, but it also has a sanitizer in it, which is great. I use this literally all over my body. I hate like ashy elbows, ashy feet. So I not only use it on my hands, I use it all over my body to hydrate and moisturize. Then we have this little Livon shake and spray serum thing. So it's like great for like on the go. So you just spray it on your hair and it's like serum on the go. I really like this product and you should definitely get this travel size. This is for like $50 and it's a great size, good to like fit in your everyday bag. Miss Claire's nail glue. I have long nails. These are acrylic nails, but even acrylic nails sometimes like fall off, so I like to like stick them back on instantly because no one has the time to go to a salon to fix like one nail. So I like to have this in my bag at all times. Then I have a mini perfume. This is by The Body Shop. You know what? I actually think that I have another perfume in this bag. Let me check. Yes, I was right. I have... Oops. I have 2 perfumes in my bag. I don't know why. But you know what? I think I have like 2 moods wherein this one is like vanilla. So like super like sophisticated. Whereas this one is like a super fun strawberry one. Oh my god, I love both the smells actually. I can't pick one. So nice to have both, I guess. Next, I have these fresh melts. So these are basically, I'll show you. So they're these like strips of edible paper. I know it looks so wrong, but you're supposed to pop them on your tongue, like so. And then it just dissolves, makes your mouth super minty, super fresh. I used to carry gum with me, but then the thing with gum is that if I have one gum, I have to finish the whole packet in like one go. So this is like a nice alternative, and also this doesn't take up a lot of space. So you can just like pop it in here. And the last few things that I have is a rubber band, some extra bobby pins, and also some safety pins. Safety pins are just for like precautionary measures. I told you I have so much in here. I don't know how I managed to like fit all of that in this pouch, but it ends up working out. Also found a pen in here because you need a pen to jot everything down in those notebooks. Well, yeah, that's it for today's What's in My Bag tag. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do let me know what you thought about it. I love watching these videos personally. I think that's about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!